We're gonna do a little Ginger MMT behind the scenes content today. If you all are anything like me, you probably have those days from time to time where you're just trying to fit like all of your little errands in and stuff. So today I am on my way to get some labs done at my doctor's office, and then I am headed over to get a haircut. And then after that, I'm gonna run over to Target and grab a couple like grocery things that we need. And then I'm also gonna get some stuff for my kids' Easter baskets. And then I also have to run by, this sounds so crazy, the dog bakery to get a birthday treat for our dog who's turning 2 tomorrow. So come with me as I do those things. While I'm going to the doctor, it's perfect time to chat a little bit about some of the deals that Disney World has going on for summer vacations. There are so many opportunities right now to save money. There is a free dining promotion. There is a 3-park ticket promo that includes all the parks except Magic Kingdom. There is a 50% off kids ticket deal, and there's also some room discounts. So if you've been kind of on the fence about going to Disney World, I really think that this summer is a fantastic time to go and get a really good deal on it. And I think sometimes the heat in Orlando kind of scares people away from traveling in the summer, but we typically go on our family vacation to Disney World in July. And yes, it's hot, but if you take breaks and hydrate well and plan well, I find summer to be a really pleasant time to go because the crowds are a little bit lower. Hair is done. My labs this morning had to be fasting, so I haven't really eaten anything and I haven't had any coffee yet. So before we do anything else, we gotta remedy that. So while we're on our way to get coffee and a little snack, let's talk about what's going on at Universal right now. So I don't know if you've been following along on social media, but Universal has been doing team member previews and some pass holder previews and some other early exclusive previews of the brand new park, Epic Universe, and it looks absolutely amazing. They also released VIP tours that are specific to Epic Universe, as well as Express Pass, which, if you're not familiar with that, it lets you skip the standby line and wait in a much shorter line. So both of those products are really like very exciting to have available, because I'm just predicting that the crowds for Epic Universe are gonna be pretty substantial, just based on how excited people are getting over the content that's already making it out there. So if you're interested in learning more about pricing on VIP tours or tickets or Express Pass for Epic Universe, make sure you visit gingermmt.com and fill out my quote form in the top left-hand corner. If you haven't tried this ham and cheese croissant yet from Starbucks, it is so ridiculously good. It's like a great size for a quick breakfast. It's easy to like eat on the go. And then my coffee order is just my go-to, just standard cup of coffee with cream. So we're gonna enjoy this real quickly before we run into Target. Grabbing a few grocery items, get a couple more things on the way out, and we're good here. Now we're heading into Slobber Bones, which is a pet bakery and bath store. They also offer dog grooming, and they have really cute treats for dogs. hope you guys enjoyed running errands with me. I'm headed back home now to do a little bit of MMT work. I've got some quotes I've got to send out, and then I've got some booking forms that I need to send over to clients to try to get everything settled in preparation for Easter weekend. So thank you all for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a wonderful Easter weekend, wonderful Good Friday. Remember what it means. Enjoy time with your family, and just hope you have an incredibly blessed day.